Welcome to another episode. In this one we look at the Linux package management tool, that is RPM versus yum. So if you look at if you want to install something, you'll be using either one of them. One is RPM or yum. Why yum? Yum has if you look at it, it has a little more advantages when you compare with RPM. So these are the difference. If you want to install an application, RPM needs to install all packages required for this application. This package may vary from 1 RPM to several RPM depending on the shared RPM packages. So basically the dependencies, there are a number of, when you install something, there are going to be dependent packages as well. So that is where the challenge happens between RPM and yum. Whereas with yum, you can install with a single command all the dependencies. So it will resolve all the dependencies. With these RPM packages, dependency is bit tough. So I mean, you will miss out some of the dependency and the package might not work effectively. And the way yum achieves this is through the last point. It can connect to the online repository, where in the online repository you will have all the dependency component available, so that installation is faster and effective. So if you are trying to install something, you always go with the yum, and if it can connect to the in the online repository, if it is available, yes, then yum is the best approach as compared to the RPM. So these are the list of commands: yum list, which list out all the packages; yum list installed. Generally it is available on Linux command line, so yum is already available on the command line, so you can just try out on this. So if you want, again, yum install package name, and again not just the package, you can also have groups. So yum groups are collection of software packages refer to a single group name. Yum supports the following command: yum group list, which will list out the groups. We'll see that in a quick demo in the Oracle Cloud infrastructure. Then if you want to do an install, yum group install group name. So you can do a group list and then do the installation of that particular group also. That is also possible. Now I have logged in into the virtual machine in Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So I do a sudo bash to get into the root, and then yum group list. So this will give you all the groups which are available, which are install group. In fact, so I had installed the environment from the available. I have installed server with GUI is I have installed, so that you can invoke the GUI environment in Linux. So again, to do an install, what you need to do is yum group install then group name is whatever you want to install from the available one: infrastructure server, file and print server. So all you need to do is basic web server. If you say basic web server, then yeah, you can perform the install. So that way yum is far more simpler and easier to perform the package management. So it just not only you can perform the updates, if you don't want it, you can also remove it. So yum, I found out it is much more easier to perform any kind of installs and updates of the package. Thank you.